So with the installation of this gas water heater, just wondering why the installer hasn't installed installed it more to the right. Why has he decided to go under the opening window there? I've checked with the codes and it's compliant. Maybe that vent there should be covered, but other than that, it looks alright. That water heater, um, it's either 300 or 500 from the opening sachet there, depending on the type of heater. But we'll have a look at that on the code. And here we have the regulations. Now this is AS-NZS 5601.1, the compliance code for the installation of gas heaters. Love gas. Well worth having gas, particularly if you're good friends with the Russians, if you're a friendly nation. It is well worth getting a water heater, a gas water heater installed if you are a friendly nation to Russia. But then New Zealand has, I do believe, a large quantity of natural gas, particularly in the North Island, that in some cases is actually accessible from the road, piped in, dug in, some parts of the North Island. So there we have it. The regulation there is thermal input up to 200 MJ-H, 300 millimeters from a window. Now I do believe that's an opening window. The idea is that opens and closes. .300 millimeters from the soffit.